Good morning, my dear students. Electrochemistry, easy way to calculate equivalent mass using Faraday's law, especially Faraday's first law. The problem given is a solution of a salt of metal was electrolyzed for 15 minutes. If this minute changes, our answer also changes. Actually, this is 150 minutes. Now, we solve the problem with 150 minutes. But in our book, it is given as 15. If this 15 minutes is used in our problem, finally we will get equivalent mass as 559 gram equivalent mass. That is the highest value. So 150 we use, we will get 55.9 gram. I will tell the change in result at the last. 150 minutes with a current of 0.15 amperes. The mass of the metal deposited at the cathode is 0.783 gram. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Calculate equivalent mass of the metal. As usual, first we have to write what are the given values. Mass of the metal is given, that is 0.783 gram. Strength of the current I is also given 0.15 ampere. Time given is 15 minutes in our book. Now we take that minute as 150 minute. That is equal to 150 into 60 second. 60 second. What we are going to calculate is that equivalent mass. Equivalent mass. That is equal to what? According to first law of thermodynamics, we know the mathematical relation M mass is equal to Z into IT. Formula for Z, from that only we can calculate equivalent mass. Formula of Z is equivalent mass in gram, equivalent mass by 96,500 coulomb into IT. Into IT. We are going to calculate the equivalent mass. Therefore, except this quantity, bring all the quantity to the left hand side. When you bring 96,500, it comes in the multiple and divide. So, equivalent mass is equal to M into 96,500 by IT. By IT. That is equal to. Mass is given in our problem. 0.783 into 96,500 by I 0.15 into T, we take it as 150 into 60. If you use 15, the answer is changed. 10 get cancelled. Multiple this fraction value by 100. So, you will get 78.3 divided by 100. 15 into 9655, not 55, only 5 by 15 into 6, or you can take it as 15 into 6. In our denominator, numerator, we have only 965. Now try to cancel this quantity. So that is equal to 78.3 by 15 into 965 by 6 into 15 are 6 into 15 are 90. 90. 90 we can write this value as 9 into 10 for the easy calculation. So now we are going to cancel this quantity. 115 is 15. In 96, how many 15s we have? 6 15s are 90. Remaining 6, 65. 4 15s are 60. Remaining 5, 50. Point. 3 15s are 45. So remaining 3 15s are 45 and goes on. Now here 1 9 is 9. Cancel this by 9. 8 9s are 72. Point. Remaining 6 63. 7 9s are 63. Here we have 10 power 1. We will bring finally the 10 power 1 to the numerator. Now we are going to multiply these two quantity. 64.33 into 8.7. 8 6 are 48. 8 4s are 32. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 7 6 are 42. 7 into 4s are 28. 7 into 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. When we add in rows, this 1 is here. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. 10 plus 6 equal to 16. Remaining 1. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 8, 12, 15. Remaining 1. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So actually how many digit? Here 2 digit, here 1 digit. Totally 3 digit. That is equal to 559.671. When you bring the 10 power 1 to the numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 1. So equivalent mass equal to 55.9671. This is equivalent mass. But in our book, gram, in our book, the time is given in 15 minutes. If you use 15, you will get this answer, 559.671 gram. But that is a very high value. Therefore, 150 minutes is taken. 55.96 is the equivalent mass of the metal. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.